Hello, my name's Caroline Messerly, and this is my ePortfolio we're looking at. So here's the home page. I have my name, my licensure. I have a little snippet about me and a professional picture. And at the bottom, like Dr. Brouillot will explain, that you have to have buttons for the home page and your domains page. So this is my domains page. There's that. And if I click on the domains up top, a little menu will come down where I can go to each one. And these are buttons too that will take you to those pages. So for an example page, I'll go to preparation because this is where I included an artifact from CSC 155. So there's preparation and what it means, my little reflection, and then my artifacts, which is my model lesson and my PowerPoint for the principle of coherence that I created. So I want to talk to you guys about what was the hardest thing for me to create on this website. And for me, it was creating these top buttons here for home and Danielson domains. The home button already was created when I created my website and my first page, but my Danielson domains page and the button at the top did not come with it, and it took me a little while to figure it out. So I'm going to go to my editor page and show you how I created that. So you're going to want to come over to page here in the corner where it says page home, and then click on that, and then you go down to manage pages. And if you click on this little subtitle menu thing, it will say learn more, and I clicked on that to learn more. And it just explains, okay, how to create a drop-down menu, and then there are two different ways. And the way I did it was by creating a new page, and then you add, let me see if I can, you add these other pages underneath it. So how you do that is you click on this, and then you go inward, which I can't do it with the home page. I don't know how to not do it now, but you go in and you drag it underneath the page and you add it to it. So let me see if I can do it to the home page. So it'll originally be like this. See how preparation is not underneath home, and then you just drag it inward, and then it'll be a drop down menu. So that is how you do that. It was the hardest thing. So yeah, and then make sure to make all of your font the same, because I know I got told that the first time I turned my page in. But thank you.